So in this video I thought I'd show you something a little bit different. Now, I don't know, about 6 months ago I watched Kev from the US. Now he was showing me that you could fly your drone, well, I got my flip today, without being signed into your account. And I thought, oh, that's interesting, because I can remember 3 or 4 years ago when I was out about an hour's drive away from where I was. I got this amazing location, got the drone out, and it said I wasn't signed in. So I thought, okay, so maybe I can still fly. It wouldn't let me fly at all. So the whole point of this video is, can you still fly your drone if you're signed out of your account? So, first thing I'm going to do is turn off the, shut down my account, which is pretty easy. So we just go into Profile, and then we go to Settings, and then we scroll down on the left-hand side where it says Log Out. So it's asking you to confirm it, so I'll say yes. Right, log out failed. Why did it fail? Don't tell me. Because I've got to be back at home. So that's proved one thing: you can't log out when you're out and about. You've got to be connected to the internet. I'm going to try something else now. Now I can go back into Profile, Settings, what Operator, isn't it? Confirm. So, I'm logged out now. Now, I'm going to show you how you do all that in another video. But anyway, at the moment, I just want to prove that you can still fly the drone being logged out. Or can you? Right, I've already connected the flip to the RC2 anyway, so I've got Go Fly. Now, it should say, yeah, account not logged in. But I've got everything there. I've got the picture, so let's see if we can take off. Okay, I'm in a zone area. I'm not going to fly very high anyway.
Point updated.
So, home point updated. I'm just going to send it out on a fly first.
Max flight distance reached.
Right, so it does obviously only let you go so far. I've got I'm just going to fly it back to me, and we're just going to go back the other way. Right, I'm just going to take it up a little bit. I'm going to go the other way now. So it should say 164 feet.
Max flight distance reached.
Okay. So let's bring that back. I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll do return to home.
Return to home.
So all the other things are working. Obviously it does, it's like it putting you into beginner's mode, to be honest. Now, I'm not expecting it to land on the H, but you never know. No, it's nowhere near it. Is it, Bonnie? That's got to be... Oh, just saw a big bolt of lightning then. That's got to be the worst I've ever seen precision landing. It's right, probably not even on the picture. Right, Bonnie? I'm feeding you, aren't I? Right, so we're going to do another takeoff.
Takeoff.
And this time,
home point updated.
I'm just going to see how far we can go up in the air. I would say about 100 foot.
Max altitude reached.
Hey, that's good, isn't it? I didn't know. I just thought that was a guess of 100 foot. So, let's see if we can send it out. So I'm 98 feet. I don't know if you can hear that, but we've got a bit of thundering, and Bonnie hates...
Max flight distance reached.
Okay. I just wanted to show that you could still fly your drone, but what I will do, I'll just see how many times you can fly. Now, I did remember, I'm sure Kev said you can only do it 5 times, but we'll see.
Landing.
It seems to be getting further and further now. Oh, just saw a nice bit of lightning. Okay, I'm just letting it see if we can land on the landing pad this time. Now that was me doing that. That wasn't the drone. Okay, we're going to do another takeoff. So this will be the 3rd time it's taken off.
Take off. Home point
I'm just going to
updated.
send it straight up. Yeah. Right, we'll do it. We'll take off again. So this is going to be the 4th time.
Take off.
Just send it up.
Home point updated.
Okay. Right, so this is going to be the 5th time, guys. It will take off.
Take off. Home point updated.
Right, how good's that? No, not on the landing pad this time. Right, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do it once more. And if it does it again, then we know it can continue.
Take off. Home point updated.
Making a bit of a funny sound then. Well, let's go over that way.
Max altitude reached.
Oh, that was quick, wasn't it? Let's go over that way this time. So anyway, that was the 6th time. So it looks like you can fly it as many times as you like.
Max flight distance
But
reached.
obviously you are limited to, you know, how high you can go and
Return to
obviously
home.
how far you can go. Which, you know, as I mentioned before, I think if you'd gone out and for some reason you was logged out, you can still, you can still fly the drone and you can take some shots that you wanted to take. Now somebody's going to say, oh Sean, what about active track? We'll just
Landing.
try that now, shall we? Can I draw a box around me? I can. Can I do it in active track? Okay, so looks like it's going to work. Obviously you don't get the option of auto with the flip, but you know, you can still do these sort of things, which is good. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to return it to home.
Return to home.
Let's come out of that. Okay, so the whole point of this was to test that can you fly your drone if you're signed out of your account? You can, but obviously you're limited to the height and the distance. But you know, as I just showed there, you could do active track, you could go out a distance. Obviously I'm just showing you on the flip, but you could do it out of any drone, which is the good thing. What was interesting, if you try to log out for some, I don't know, for some reason, when you're out on location, you've got no internet, obviously, with your controller, you can't do it. You've got to be connected. So, in my next video, I'm going to show you how you can reconnect your controller and get back into your account. As always, there's going to be another video coming very soon.